moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time.
Welcome to the vlog. Oh my God. I'm here to pick up prescriptions, more pimple patches, because this was my last one. It was bent in, so hold on, Bema. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me. We're here. I think my nail appointment's today. I'm here. We'll find out. If not, it's tomorrow. So. Oh no. I should have waited. Try to set this up. I should have cleaned my glasses. Lordy be. Hi guys, so my appointment was today, so I went and got my nails done. Okay, so I've been getting the French tip, obviously, and I was just gonna go with the French tip again, but I was like, oh, I want just a, because I'm going on vacation, right? I want to add just a little something, and I didn't know what. And of course I'm always so like indecisive on what I want anyway. I was like, I want to add something, I don't know what. And I was like, I don't know if I want a line of glitter, if I want this, that. And she was like, I want like a flower. And I was like, yeah, let's do a flower. And I was like, let's do like a white flower. And she was like, a white on white. And I was like, I don't know. I was like, what, you know? I'm like, she's like, what's your favorite color? And, you know, my favorite color is blue, but I also really like yellow, so I just told her yellow. I'm like, yellow? And she was like, go ahead and do a sunflower. And of course you guys know I love sunflowers, so I'm like, let's do a sunflower. So I like it. I mean, the design is fine. Everything is, I'm not complaining. There's nothing wrong with my fingernails whatsoever. But the more I'm like, I don't know. It's like, maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I should have just left it. You know what I mean? And then for my toes, I always do white just because, I don't know. I just do. And then I was like, what if I went with like, instead of like just all white, do my big toe sparkly, right? So I was like, if I can do glitter. And so she only had two glitters. One was gold and one's like pink. And so like a light, I don't want to, and like an iridescent kind of pink, wait, I don't know. Anyway, so she was like, I want to see what they look. So she tried them on my nails so I could see the yellow, the gold color made, you know, it would make it look like old. I don't know, like yellow, like a yellowing toenail, right? So then I went with the pink, but then the pink right now I'm not liking it because it's too much pink. I'd show you guys, but I don't like showing my feet, especially on the internet. Gotta pay if you want to see my feet. No. So I'm thinking, I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not like, it doesn't look like I went to the salon and had my toenails painted. You know what I mean? It just kind of looks like a little off. Nothing against, I mean, she did everything she was supposed to do, but I'm like, maybe I should, I told Sterling, I was like, we can, because I'd have her remove it off my big toe, because I don't want to use the nail polish remover and mess up my fingernails. Have her, like, take it off. And we have white gel nail polish, and I was like, I could just, excuse me, I could just paint them again white, and then I do have, like, a glitter that I can, like a topper I can put on it. I did add some on top of the pink to try to make it fade the pink a little bit, but now it's just like a glittery hot mess. Anyway, yeah, so these are my nails. Oh, and then she was like, she's like, this, this ain't good for your nails, blah, 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 which I know. She's like, but your nails are the same length. She was like, so, next time, if you want, she was like, you can just soak them in acetone to remove, like, the nails. And she was like, to try to, make sure that you don't ruin them and take it off. Just soak them and let them come off. And then wait a day, like, overnight, and then come in. And she was like, we can, either do gel or we can add a dip powder on top to make, What? No. So, I might do that next time. We'll see. Anyway, it is Tuesday, so I have to work on what I can. I've gotten a couple orders in. I wanted to see if I can get those done as well. But it's like, I don't like the new Seller app, you guys. I don't. The blue one, I don't like it. I've had both on my phone. The orange one. Is it the orange one? Whatever one. And the blue one. But I don't like the blue one. But now they switched all over, so you can't even get on the other one. So, but it takes forever to pull up. But it's like, so the orders, everything, I don't know how to work this.
Mom, I have stars. And I clicked on Roblox. I play Roblox.
All I see is 6 orders. I have another order. Where's the order at? Hold this. Why is my other order not on here? Because it's in progress. Anyway, we'll have to see what we can get done. But as I was saying, I did get a couple orders. I want to see if I can get those done as well. But somebody ordered and they're like, I want it on a gray shirt and they need it by June 5th. My processing time is set at 2 weeks right now because, we're leaving, we'll be gone. So I won't even be back. And so their ship date is the 6th and they need it by the 5th. And I'm like, I don't even know if I have the shirt on hand. And if I don't have it, I can't order it. I mean, I can order it, but I'm not going to have it in, I'm not going to get it in by the time we leave on Thursday. If I ordered it right this very minute, Angela would ship it tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and I would probably get it on Friday. So, and I'll be long gone by Friday. I'll be in Michigan on Friday. So, yeah. If anything, I'm just and I went to reply. I was like, typing out a response like, thank you for your order, but ask, my turnaround time is 2 weeks and blah, blah, blah. I was going all into it. And I'm like, why am I even doing this? Why don't I just wait? See if I have the shirt. If I have the shirt on hand, and then, maybe I can get it done tomorrow, today. These are the only 2 days I have to work, today and tomorrow. And after that, we're done. So I'm like, and if I do, because that's, an extra $20. I think they paid like $25-ish. Anyway. Ugh. Let's get to work. Hey guys, so I am done for the evening. It is 12. We got, it's 12:21. We've got speech therapy tomorrow, and then I have to pack. What am I looking on my phone? Oh, I saw something. I hate the new Etsy seller app. I had a message. You're away, please. Okay. I had somebody and they misspelled something, and so I caught it, but I didn't know if they wanted it spelled correctly or not. So, and I wasn't rude about it. I just said, did you mean you have it this way? Do you mean it this way? I didn't know if it was just a typo or if you actually and she was like, your way. So that's good. I made it and it's ready to ship out. And then I got the other packages. So tomorrow, the only ones I have left is, well, there's 6. Because I got a couple orders in too. So so there's 6 on my list, and I'm waiting for my shirts to arrive from Angela, and they should be here tomorrow. So I'm hoping that, I mean, even, okay, so like, this is, you know, even if the shirts don't, like, let's say if they don't arrive tomorrow and they arrive Thursday, I can probably still get these orders, you know, done. And although we're leaving Thursday, I'd have to put them outside. Heaven. I'd have to put them outside on the porch for pickup. And then, but we'll be gone, so. I also have I have an apron I have to send to Saudi Arabia. But Etsy won't let me ship it there. So it says, you know, I can't purchase it. So I'm going to have to, tomorrow I'm going to try to see if I can do it through PayPal. And we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I just don't feel like doing it tonight. I don't feel like getting on there and trying to figure out and stuff. So hopefully I can do that. And I'm liking my nails more than I think it's, I don't know. Because I was thinking of going, I like the French tip. The main reason I like them is because if they grow out, you know, you really can't tell. So that is the reason why I like the French tip. But she had on a pretty color. It was like kind of a pinky nude color. Because she's like, you could go with this color, like the color I'm wearing. And I actually thought about doing a color like that. That would kind of go with everything. But then I was like, nee. Yeah, so anyway, I'm doing good. I'm keeping them. It's been since, what? At the end of March? Did I get them done at the end of March? I don't even remember. I think it was the end of March when I got them done. So I've had it April and now almost 2 months. But I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. It's getting so close to Michigan time. I'm so excited, and the main thing I'm excited for is to not work and to spend just time with family. My husband included Journey, Sterling, Evan, Nathan, Cora. You know, just not having to worry about, because like we have Sunday dinners, but a lot of times, you know, I make Sunday dinner and everybody's here, but I have to go to work. I have to finish orders, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.